From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, third day in a row of 90-degree heat, and we got more of the same as we work our way through the week, maybe 4 or 5 more days of at 90-degree heat before we see a little bit of a change in the pattern. Friday into the weekend, we're going to see scattered showers and thunderstorms, maybe as early as 1 or 2 as we get into that high heat on Thursday. More on that in just a bit. Here's high pressure over Mexico, South Texas, lower Rio Grande, and then another ridge of high pressure over here by Mississippi and Alabama. So we're under the influence of 2 strong ridges of high pressure, and this upper level low is actually going to be drifting back to the west, bringing more inclement weather to the east coast, keeping an eye on it for tropical development or subtropical development, but not an issue. But what that is going to do, that's going to push this ridge of high right over us at the upper parts of the atmosphere, and the lower parts of the atmosphere high pressure builds in, so that means it's going to get hotter, especially when our winds turn away from the Gulf of Mexico and come from land out of the west-northwest as we head into Thursday. We'll show you that in a bit. Across the U.S. is pretty quiet. You got to get into the northern Rockies for some rain and snow, and then the threat of severe weather just east of the Minneapolis-St. Paul metroplex with severe thunderstorm warnings and the possibility of hail and high winds there. Tornado watch going through this evening, and that's where all the weather is. Our part of the world nice and quiet with generally an east to southeasterly flow, but not much wind out there. And tomorrow we're going to see less wind, and even more so as we head into Wednesday, so that heat is going to amplify as we get into the afternoon hours. So once again, some clouds in the morning, but mostly sunny skies for the afternoon. Graph model going up to 92. We'll go about 90 or 91 for the high tomorrow, so very similar to today. And then as we head into Wednesday morning, could be a little bit cooler. This ridge of high pressure may bring in slightly drier, lower dew points and drier air, so upper 60s come Wednesday morning. And then into Wednesday afternoon, the ridge of high pressure gets closer to us. The temperatures amp up just a bit, and that continues into Thursday as well. Absence of some clouds, and then mostly sunny skies into Thursday afternoon. And then we're going to see that west-northwest wind, and when winds are coming over land, we don't get the sea breeze, and that's how we get into the mid-90s. Currently going for 95 degrees for the high on Thursday. Might even see 96. Lower 70s overnight tonight, so no changes there. Tomorrow, upper 80s to near 90. That heat index in the mid-90s tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night, temperatures dropping down. We hope into the upper 60s, so a little bit more comfortable. So as we're getting that higher heat into the afternoons, the dew points will be coming down. So that'll be a little bit of a trade-off, but any way you slice it, it's going to continue to be hot for maybe the next 4 or 5 months as well. Overnight tonight, lower 70s, so a warm, pleasant evening ahead. Some clouds coming in toward daybreak, but not a whole lot. Then as we head into tomorrow morning, we'll see those morning clouds out there, but that's going to segue to mostly sunny skies, light southeast winds, and temperatures topping out at 90 or 91 for that projected high. As we move forward, 92 to 93 on Wednesday, 95 on Thursday. If so, that'll be a record. And then as we head into the weekend, we do have some rain chances on the way. The threat of an afternoon shower storm maybe slipping in from the east or early evening on Thursday. Going into Friday, a little bit more in the way of scattered showers and daytime activity for Saturday and perhaps for Sunday as well. So unfortunately, the Rain Frog Festival might see a little rain, but I think the frogs will appreciate that. Temperatures will be cooling into the upper 80s with the rain chances this weekend, but the heat is back on next week. Low to mid 90s return.
Okay,
We're ready.
Long
Ready
summer
or not.
ahead.
I like it that the
Long
frogs will be
summer
happy
ahead.
though.
Yeah,
at
they
the
will.
festival.
Got to keep the frogs happy for the frog festival.
Absolutely, Rob.
mean,
Most of
most-
them don't have a
Yeah.
happy ending.
Most
No,
of
they
them are
don't.
deep fried.
That's another big deal.
Good eats, right?
Right.
Thank you, Rob. Stay with us, everybody. We're right back after the break.